Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to make mass price changes in Bigcommerce stores. Whether we are running a sale, adjusting for supplier costs, or updating seasonal prices, bulk editing helps us save time and keep prices consistent across all products. Now, let's get started. In the Bigcommerce dashboard, we go to the left menu and find the Products section. We click the drop-down button and select All Products. To edit products, we check the ones we want and click the bulk editing option. Or we can select all products for bulk editing. Bulk editing lets us update prices in one place, so we do not need to edit each product separately. Here, we can change the default price or the sale price for all selected products at once. This makes the process easier and saves us time. To edit a price, we click on the price field. For example, we enter the new price. When we finish updating the prices, we click Save. After saving, the mass pricing changes are complete. That is how we use the bulk editing tools in Bigcommerce to update prices quickly and easily. With this method, we can manage our store more efficiently and keep our pricing up to date.